Hey, milled dentures. Nobody's impressed anymore. But 3D printed ones, that's where it gets interesting. Buddy, you really think those flimsy resins can hold their ground? They need some good old beating by the grannies. At West, someone's been grinding long shifts, cooking better resins, and they'd better good. Or we're printing labubus instead.
This is a part 1. Let's use the power of the credit card.
Little grasshopper, tell me, is it strong as stone, yet light as blossom in sky? Will auntie smile with shining teeth? Go subscribe the doctor's page, see everything with your eyes.